So biashara in education is a common thing. It is being pushed by business people. CBC. CBC is not modeled in Kenya. CBC, a good CBC, not more than 20 students in a class and maximum of 3 well-trained teachers in every teaching and learning lesson. No teacher in Kenya can deliver CBC, and that is a fact for sure. You are pretending. 844. South Africa walijaribu and then they came out on strike, wakakataa and wakarudi ile nyingine. Lakini mulijaribu panere juru because hii ni biashara yao. No, you see, it's very unfortunate when you have leadership chegere biashara kwa kila mahali. Biashara in textbooks, biashara in consultancy. Bwana Governor, 1 billion tego budget 2021-2022 about training of teachers. Google gave 700 million, the cowboys. So even training teachers is not even a priority. They are not interested. So when I spoke very loudly and strongly, Kole Uhuru Kenyatta Sossion must leave NAT. Orion Ginam 2017 Kogere Mombasa during the ADC. The minister degazetted me as Secretary General. Kubarego Insight Conference Kota Mene, Mapinduzi in 2018, an NEC meeting, inciting the leadership. Kota Mene 2019, the same thing. Kogera bi nick to 0. Ogera nyole chuchwany kumata go chugibobe, kai chugiboba nye. Oino ge ngalega pura chibo branches kuma otinye rabini. I looked for money all over the world. I got conducted an election. I gave in towards election. Also, the agenda of the president is evil and bad. I have done my job. I've delivered employment of teachers. I've delivered salaries that nobody will deliver. Empty. And I had seen 33 billion for 4 years for teachers. So going to Nuru Golega with the social, me pressure from unions for more salaries. Ogerole Kiraya Chechu. Agaguskongo Oger in Bible only Musa Togi Mait Canaan. I should not struggle to get to Canaan. I've reached Mount Sinai and I've seen Canaan. Let me leave teachers to go to Canaan. Yeah, Malasima everything in life. And I'm already in parliament. So I accepted to transit completely from labor to secular politics. Sasa niko kiwanja ya siasa sawa sawa. Ako in labor politics is politics jambo kawaida ya raia. So let me hang my boots. Honorably, I would have been elected Ndagoro Giwanje. Lakini confusion was not worth it anymore. It was time for me to leave. Leave, and I left a very happy man. Because he told Secretary General Namnagani Bilani. Sini okay, I got it on my okay, I'll go what twice agotinde. And I know going into the future there will be a good government. There will be a good government that will respect the rule of law, democracy and constitution. Ibaginyo Kibaki Kibaki in 2002. I will go ribe taxes, ribe man taxes, I go ribe corruption. I go need free education. Kikiko free education and Amagigo. It's not a guy free back a secondary. That is a legacy of Kibaki. It was an election promise in 2002. Agonam Gora CDF. CDF is working. Is it working on Amabaizia? I go need the new constitution. About 2010 that brings devolution. About resources and grassroots. That's why there is a county government. That was an idea of the people of Kenya, which was actualized by a reasonable, mature president called Kibaki. Revolution. All you need is only more money. Once you get more money, it will work better. law kesire. Our governance king olole nenano ingairo. We are addressing poverty here at home. That was the work of Kibaki. I go other microfinance support about the economy like boda and strong banks in just 110. Koi time magora never Jubilee nige gure Uhuru Kenyatta. Abanyoga always go get the opposite direction. That is why 2017 kugima mi gurubinyi. Kogu ngindao ngiboge gumure uyan kona mgunde William. Ketu yakule mgil. Okay. Kibogo niginde on kuninginde. So we have done our own analysis. 2022 we want to bring another Kibaki regime and agenda in this country. So ngalega transition deba 2022 ko ile ni metinyu abana kitu ingine. Let's get a president like Kibaki. Nemuje kugera issues teba mwananchi. Amoni nguni ko yabananda. So I'm walking up ndanai. I've come home. Ako nguni moe chebaganya ko bunchi kai. Komnye sawa sawa. Ko naitu kweze bichachangi nulimbo Bomet Central. Abara la sawa maigapi na Bomet. Ale mo mucha la batat kulenjo no. Iyo haiwezekani. Kimache kegonin iwe senator na this county. Amunga sitaf senator ko kerga ng secretary general. Number 1 ko kebarchike ko barabini gano county more funds. Ako that one kut kebarchike chebo konetik ko babarak mshahara. Kunyo tamena tu county kebarchike kigere ka barabini county.
Ko gero talosi jagane.
Hata wewe utalipwa hiyo mshahara unataka my friend. Hiyo utapata. Everything will be promoted. Maneno ya vijana, maneno ya kina mama. Ngalechongo mo William Chombo bottom up economic model ko model nebo unions all over the world for social, for equality. Ingen PC siga yani roi. Yonga as a politician ngalolen bottom up model or middle out ko matiri ki that person because it's touching the heart of the common mwananchi. Okiguyege? That is what we need going into the future. So kazi tafsene tako kugeri golle kogi development more money. Nguni genga lole minimum 15%. Or in BBI we were talking about 35% and over. We don't need BBI to bring in more money to the counties. We need serious senators like Wilson Sossion. Abana hii ya kuja kutoka Nairobi inya yonate governor in funerals and what? No, do your work. The senator do your work at the county. At the Senate, and your focus is division of revenue allocation. That is the most important bill. Agogi more constitution. Number 2, kugeri counties to function. Your Excellency, counties must function and deliver to the people. Kuma mangwa letamena mi anaga select lelen. No, Sossion is too strict. Could elected go senator. Kuma give business in county. No, the county is there to deliver to the people. Within the constitution, within the law. Number 3, as it has senator is to make laws to enable counties to function. Number 4, go oversight of both national and county. The Senate does not only oversight the county government, it oversights the entire government. Wilson Sossion was Secretary General like President of EI Africa. Sasa nikipewa hapa nyumbani sitashindo. So I am good, and I'm happy. I'm joining you in retirement. Wewe utakuwa unafanya nyingine, si nyinyi tu mniruhusu uchamuonge cha somo basi. Toto etana man.
Akone ni mimi.
Toto etana man. Asa mruhusa ni muong uchamuona somo ngetereta absent. Toto etana man. So asa mo somo TikTok ngeta satana basi yas. To mi parliament. CBC, I'm telling you, this is a fraud thing. Tupcha Corona. Whoever created Corona created CBC for purposes of business. Both of them are forcing economies computers. Now, any webinar meeting, any meeting in Zoom, computers. The CBC being imposed on third world countries including Kenya, Bill Gates, for purposes of business. computer wares. Remove the teacher from being central in teaching. I'm happy you are retiring when you have not been removed. And it means you will earn more even in retirement. Yeah, move one of the thing. Yes. So, kung ngalega CBC, it's a matter me go tini. I placed a statement yesterday, a petition yesterday in Parliament. We are yet to determine with the Speaker which aspects will be dealt with by Parliament. The petition in court. Magicheng education system for the sake. 2023, our schools there will be double intake. A very good curriculum should be simple, exciting, and easy to implement. That's a good curriculum. Lakini a curriculum that is difficult. Even CSOs who are here, I sympathize with you. Because even those who train CSOs do not understand. There is no known teacher in Kenya who is competent to deliver CBC. Why? To deliver CBC, there are two countries, Finland and Singapore. And in Finland, to deliver CBC, you train up to masters on CBC pedagogy. Not what you train. What you train in is what you call outcome-based pedagogy by the end of the lesson. Is that not what we write? That's our training. See, you cannot teach CBC with by the end of the lesson training that we went through. So, Makele, you will be innovative and what? And creative. Well, there is no innovation about CBC and creativity. You either provide the materials or you don't. It requires teachers well trained from teacher training colleges. Martina Michochugi Yosegi too, and you want to convert them to deliver CBC. In Finland, you are trained up to master's level, and you observe a lesson for 6 months before you are allowed to teach. And that is how they have succeeded in CBC. A lot goes into teacher training and infrastructure. The class sizes don't exceed 20. Even this one come out with 50%. This CBC being brought, it will collapse even if I keep quiet. But now everybody is complaining. And there is a lawyer, a parent who has gone to court through the Law Society of Kenya. And I read the application. It is very well researched. In fact, the Basic Education Act, number 4 of 2013, read Article 41, Section 41. I had not read it. When it was published and enacted in 2013, Kogi more very clearly, the education system that will be provided will be 844. It is there. Now this CBC, which law anchors it? It is illegal. And I am not ashamed to say the president is aware of some of these business activities in the education sector. And you cannot do business with education. Education is a fundamental right that is given to children freely and of good quality. So, my brother, you have retired, but the struggle continues. Aluta continua. So I'm telling unionists, the union about secondary, union about special needs teachers, all those unions needs to be collapsed and brought into one so that teachers can speak in one voice. I was accident. That is what I'm telling teachers. Unless there is unity. An empty CBA. Okay, well, the next thing, hate teachers. Okay, is out of the union. Until you are managers. Hate teachers are teachers. By definition of the law, you are the lead educators in a public institution. I go CBA next signing about 2016. I fought for proper compensation of hate teachers through job evaluation. Payslips of hate teachers go. You see, when I look at it, a teacher on 11,000 in 2011 is now earning 28,000 minimum. A head teacher give me 20,000 is now earning 80,000. Real 80,000 shillings. The senior most principal is almost at 300,000, equivalent to a member of parliament. We were succeeding and we shall succeed. I have a belief that there will be a president like Kibaki in 2022 in this country. Bottom up and education will be vibrant again. Democracy and human rights will be respected. And I promise I will be the best senator in the country. Mama ta mga lecture chang. Asante sana. Ama kuang nemye. I wish you well. I wish all of you well. Not to start this ceremony peacefully up to the end. Kungwe music. Tungaita sartana wa siasa. Onya usame siasa. Lakini nguni uchamjine wambi pole pole. Ako chamde kabisa kwa chakta music.
Agina kegele senator na nyamu
sisi. Aso nebo mwisho. Chita nigibiri chinigura Emu Nogo Deputy President William Ruto kwa
ataka sana.
Okaso awe gitar nominations kwa cheboge yaching campaign enano in Kenya tukul makine raisi. That is why amachege bangan tuguchu gechokin kasip ketar so that we put the country back on track. Mama ta mga lecture cha Kongo misi na makwang nemye kone tiga bomet. Asante sana. Thank you for electing me. Thank you. And I've never let you down and I'll not let you down in this journey that we are starting. We shall have one of the best counties, Your Excellency the Governor, under my superintendentship as a senator. Sababu pesa mingi takuja. Asante.